Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the remote works and the AC is powered on. Replace weak batteries now. Once done, inspect the remote for a dedicated Celsius/Fahrenheit or temp button and locate mode and set or ADJ buttons. You press and hold the temp or set key for 3 to 5 seconds to enter display mode change. Make sure you keep the remote steady and point it at the unit so the signal registers. If no label is visible, you use the tiny recessed button with a pin. Once the remote is in the setting menu, you use the up/down or plus/minus keys to toggle between Fahrenheit and Celsius. This changes the display, but typically does not alter temperature behavior. Make the selection by pressing set or OK briefly, then observe the remote display for the degrees C symbol. If the remote requires a mode step, press mode to return to standard operation. You then point at the indoor unit and press power to ensure the receiver accepted. To finish, exit the menu and change the set temperature by 1 degree to verify the unit reports in degrees C now. You should see the symbol and feel consistent control. If the display did not switch, remove batteries for 5 seconds, reinsert them, and repeat the steps. If stubborn, perform the remote factory reset per model procedure and reprogram modes. Make sure the indoor unit is not overridden by a wall controller. Tip: if the unit still shows wrong units, check for a secondary controller or app overriding the remote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.